Imagine a battlefield devoid of human soldiers, replaced entirely by machines. Is this the inevitable future of warfare? As autonomous weapon systems become increasingly popular, we're left grappling with a host of ethical questions. Picture drones soaring above, ground robots patrolling territories, submarine drones lurking beneath the waves, and semi-autonomous machines aiding soldiers in combat. Each one, a cog in a sophisticated, faceless war machine. The face of warfare is changing, but at what cost? Drones, ground robots, and submarine drones are not just concepts anymore. They are realities that are changing the rules of engagement. But they are also creating a minefield of ethical dilemmas, like, who shoulders the blame when a drone strike, designed to be objective and precise, misfires and causes unintended civilian casualties? Or when a submarine drone, lurking undetected in the ocean depths, triggers an escalation of hostilities due to its silent and deadly presence? And what about semi-autonomous machines fighting alongside human soldiers? If a friendly fire incident occurs or a target is mistakenly identified, who is held responsible? The machine or the human? These are not just theoretical questions. They are very real issues that must be confronted as we move further into the era of robotic warfare. With these technologies, the question is not just about how we fight, but who or what is held accountable. Regulating these technologies is not an easy task. The world is divided on how to approach it. Navigating the labyrinth of global governance for autonomous weapon systems is a challenge, to say the least. It's like trying to agree on a single flavor of ice cream for everyone at a party. Nearly impossible. Countries are as varied as the flavors of ice cream, each with their own unique perspectives and priorities. For instance, nations such as China and Russia tend to lean towards more liberal policies, while Western democracies often advocate for stricter controls. It's like one side is shouting chocolate, while the other insists on vanilla. Reaching a consensus is as elusive as finding a unicorn in a haystack. Yet the urgency to create effective regulations grows with each technological advancement. The stakes are high. We're not just talking about a flavor war here, we're talking about potential global conflict. The future of warfare is here. It's time for policymakers to catch up. The moral quandaries and risks associated with robotic warfare cannot be ignored. We've seen the rise of drones, ground robots, and autonomous submarines, each raising new ethical questions. Who's accountable when things go wrong? How can we ensure they're used responsibly? These are not just hypotheticals, they're real issues we need to grapple with as these technologies advance. It's crucial that we establish sensible norms and enforceable regulations. If you're as disturbed by these potential implications as we are, subscribe for weekly updates on this unsettling topic. Together, we can navigate the future of warfare.